In this video, I will teach you how to do gender transition on TikTok. So first, all you have to do, you need to download this application, which is called Face App. And I'm going to show you what you're going to do exactly here. So first, that's the first step. Go to Face App application and just go for next, just let's get started and give the permissions and so on and so far. So that's the first step. What we're going to do here, we're going to drag the picture that we would like to trans to a female. So let's pick up our picture here. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so here we got this one here. What we're going to do now, we're going to just scroll down here and go to gender and choose either female or female too. So let's pick up anyone and see if we would like to do. I believe that this one could be better. So click on apply and now save. So here we got the picture, which is the female one. Now let's go and open TikTok app. And here go to the search bar and search for gender swap filler here. And now let's go for this one here for the gender. And now we're gonna click on CapCut here and this one, and we'll choose use template and CapCut. Okay, just click on use template once again. The first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the picture before and the picture after. And now click on review. And here you can see the effect it's been done. So once here, click on export, and then you can even export the video or export without the watermark, whatever you want. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.